Hi everyone, it's Jack here. Welcome back to Quick English Lessons. Let me ask you something. Do you ever need assistance in English, but you don't know how to ask nicely? Perhaps you just blurt it out and say, "Help me." That's all right. But in English, that might come across as a bit rude or too blunt. So today, I'm going to teach you how to ask for assistance politely and naturally in English, at work, in everyday life, or even with buddies. By the end of this lesson, you will sound more confident, courteous, and friendly, just like a native speaker. Okay, let's begin. Section 1. Why shouldn't you just say, "Help me"? Well, "help me" is grammatically correct, but it sounds like a drama. Native speakers use it when something is serious, such as, "Help me, the car won't stop." But in everyday circumstances, such as requesting help from a colleague, educator, or friend, we say softer and nicer things. So let's practice those today. Section 2. Simple, polite ways to ask for help. Let's begin with some simple, polite sentences. Repeat after me. Can you help me, please? Could you help me with this? Can I ask you for a little help? Would you mind helping me? They all convey the same message, but each one is natural and polite. Example 1. In the workplace. Hi, Sarah. Could you assist me with this report? Okay, no worries. See? Polite, brief, and friendly. Section 3. Ask for help with more information. When you ask for assistance, it's nice to be specific about what you require. Can you help me resolve this issue? Could you demonstrate it for me? Would you mind repeating that for me? Can you help me understand this? Example 2. In class. Excuse me, would you repeat that, please? Sure thing. Let me demonstrate. See how polite and natural that sounds? It's showing respect, and people will always be pleased to assist. Section 4. Softer, friendly phrases for everyday English. Occasionally, you'd like to sound even gentler, particularly with friends or coworkers. Hey, may I ask a quick favor? Would you mind helping me out? Could I get your opinion on this? Do you have a minute? Example 3. With a friend. Hey, do you have a minute? I have to move some boxes. Sure, I'll help you out. That's normal, friendly English. Section 5. Asking for assistance in emails or messages. Emails are slightly more formal, but we can still be polite and clear. I'd really appreciate your assistance with... Could you please review this? Would you be able to look at this for me? I'd be thankful if you could. Example 4. Email example. Hi, Sarah. Hope you're all right. Could you just glance through the report I sent yesterday? I'd really value your feedback. Thanks so much. Jack. See? Very polite, but still easy and natural. Section 6. What to say when someone assists you. When someone assists you, don't forget to thank them. Here are some easy and natural phrases. Thanks so much for assisting me. I appreciate it very much. That was a huge assistance, thanks. You're a lifesaver. Friendly, informal. Thanks for finding the time to assist me. Example 5. Dialogue. Jack A. Here, I managed to fix it for you. Jack B. Thanks very much. I really appreciate your assistance. Being polite isn't just about asking. Thanking is also part of it. Section 7. Phrases to offer assistance, so you sound kind, too. And here's a bonus thing. If you'd like to offer assistance, here are some things you can say. Do you need a hand? Want me to help? Could I give you a hand with that? Would you like me to do that? I can do that if you'd like. Example 6. Requesting assistance. Jack A. I seem busy. Want me to give you a hand? Jack B. Oh, that'd be awesome. Thanks. Notice how natural and polite that sounds. Section 8. How to ask for help when you're shy or nervous. Sometimes students are shy to ask for help, but it's perfectly fine in English to ask nicely. You can say polite-sounding phrases. I don't know how to do this. Could you explain it to me? I'm a bit stuck on this. I need some assistance here. Would you mind helping me out? Example 7. Work. Hi, I'm having a little trouble with this form. Could you assist me? Of course, let's have a look. Being polite makes it easier to ask for assistance, and others are more willing to assist you. Section 9. Polite tone and body language tips. Now keep in mind, being polite is not all about language. It's also about your tone and body language. Smile while you ask. Be in a friendly tone, not too formal. Include please and thank you. Don't sound like an order. Sound like a request. Bad example. Help me with this. X. Good example. Could you help me with this, please? Tick. Tone makes a huge difference. Section 10. Quick recap. Let's quickly recap. Don't just say, help me. Say polite phrases, such as, could you help me please? Or, would you mind helping me? Be specific about what you are asking help with. Thank the person afterwards. Smile and use friendly body language. And don't worry, asking for help is normal and polite in English. If you say these phrases, your English will sound polite, confident, and natural, and people will love speaking with you. Okay, your turn now. Leave in the comments one respectful sentence you will say next time you need assistance. It might be, would you mind assisting me? Or, could you help me out? And if you like this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon so you don't miss more quick English lessons. This is Jack, reminding you to be respectful, be assertive, and continue studying English the proper way. See you next time.